What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw an oval for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind the nose. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to go up, drawing an oval, go around the top and side of the eye and pull that in towards the side of the nose. Now I want to do the exact same thing on the right. So we're just going to move over, go up towards the same height, come around the side, and then bend that in. Now I want to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So we're going to start from the top right side, draw another oval, a little bit smaller, coming around, then in towards the side. Do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw an even smaller oval. So we're going to step down. This is for the pupil, going around and then in on top of the nose. Along the top of the pupils, we're going to add a small circle for a highlight. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black and we want to go around that highlight. Now let's go down and draw in the mustache. We want to tuck this underneath the nose. So we start on the left side, bend this out, and then up. Let's add those bumps across the bottom of the mustache. We're going to start from the outside, curve this around, and then in. Let's add another bump, coming down and up. I'm going to add one more set, coming down from the left and up in the middle. Now underneath the mustache in the center, we're just going to add a fold for the lip, coming down and then up. Let's go up to the top corners of the mustache, step up and draw in the cheeks. So on the left, we're going to curve around, come down and just bend that in towards the chin. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, going around the mustache, coming down and then in. And then going back to the left side, bump the chin, coming down, across, and then up. Now we're going to draw on the side of the head going up towards the hat. From the cheek, step over, bend this around, and then up. Now let's connect the ends with a curve, going up above the eyes, across the middle, and then back down. Now I want to go back to the cheeks and draw the edge of the sideburns. We're just going to round this out, come up, and then in underneath the edge of the hat. Let's add in the ears. From this point, step down, curve up, around, and then in towards the cheeks. Along the top, step down, add a fold, going up and then down. Now, in between the edge of the hat and the eyes, we're going to draw in the eyebrow. So let's start on the outside, curve this up and then down. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. From the ends of the eyebrow, we're just going to tuck this up and then in underneath the edge of the hat. Let's go ahead and fill the inside of the eyebrows and the mustache. Let's go back to the top corners of the head and draw the edge of the hat brim. We're going to start on the left. We want to curve this up higher in the middle, go across, and then bend that down. Now in the center, we draw a circle tucked in behind. So we're going to step over, let's draw that circle, going all the way around, come across, and then bend that in. Let's draw that M in the center. So we're going to start with a point in the middle, angle this up and out toward the left and right, towards the top, then angle this down towards the bottom of the M. Now I want to trace this along the inside, so we start with an angled line coming across the bottom, go back to the left and just trace the inside. And now we're going to finish off by drawing the outside perimeter of the hat. Let's start on top left ear, curve this around. I'm going to bend this up in the middle above that circle. And I'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.